Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Natalia Pramita Avila. My program studi management 2021. My name 2100601018. Pickings by Nigel Cobb. What is the Buyer is Britain, Marks and Spencer, Sainsbury, First or Tech on all their counts the answer in speaker, sound, and light phrase retail of his equipment with an egg. Pickings by Nigel Cobb. What is the business retailer in Britain? Marks and Spencer, Sainsbury worked on all three counts. The answer in here, sound, and light now briefly on note. Cadbury's retail fee equipment with 28 shops in the UK of record words and hikes. Sales per square foot of any retail 17,000 for each store on London Bricks while in the city, even taking an average across all 28-story Richardson steel cloth of 5,780 per square foot, 10 times more than Marks and Spencer, 6 times the sales achieved by Sainsbury in its day profitable to sales are up and it is profitable to sales are up and its operating margin has soared from 3,4% in 1989 to almost 13% today. Last year had a profit of more than 3 million on sales of almost 48 million. Sounds suggests in founder managing director and 80-year Richard and 39-year-old Londoner worked as the agent of 7-8 as to buy and sell Caldi during the energy crisis of 1974. A likely broker was his blonde hair in ponytail and the uprightness from a smile coveted Victoria story in Bermondsey, South East London. He raps out his sales pitch. Even when I was at school and we thought to go into business, he said, but my agent was against me. Property was out. I was all unknown to see and contact without the clothes drive, so I turned to heavy without checking out at school. I bought a scarf had been and all set for 10 did it off and sold in for 21,979. At the age of 19, he opened his first of London. Since then, late his can get in simple trims was heavy for tiny, basic, soft with low overhead stroke known for in rapid and the company's gives is flexibility to take advantage of the offered by manufacturers on a offline of supply equipment. They take his ability sound the trim actual sound sales discounted heavy from tiny basis of with low overhead stock tune for in rapid and the company's smallness gives is the flexibility to take a figure of the by manufacture on the offline of supplies equipment. His embodied research sought to secure it sled to look next in a forbidding audiovisual market dominated by independent while leading multiple stock may lead the mass market volume selling mid weights become popular in the only 1980 sales only heavy separates scone as turns and amplifies in by adhere and offline rainies ways manufacture and offline rakes white factor are hoping to offline before the next cosmetical device model part of same small order of current model weights. Perhaps because of poor stock management, the manufacturer is preferred to sell at the required price known as manufacturer stock control improves the quantities of its model supplies a key to do business with these killer legislators. Suppliers are keen to do business with the quickie retailer people like the cost and common have so many store 300 for 262 respectively. They unless you forgot 5,000 of the model, it's not worth their widely pushing into their distribution. Say Life Robert Sales and Marketing Director of IK with Rich here you can do a daily on the daily to 30. Marketing is the key weapon. Rich here sound emphasis regularly in national news hearsay and in alternative marginals so on preferred as and fee every month in the produce to 350,000 convinced of the virtue lattice offer. The shops are like walking in warehouse. Outside bargain offer including audio cassettes for $59. Compact disc player, tuners, and speakers from leading such as Sony, Akai, and Mark, and stickers for floor and ceiling banners hanging from the ceiling in youth. Compact disc player, tuner, and speaker from leading names such as Sony, Akai, and Mark, and stickers from floor to ceiling. March banner hanging from the ceiling proclaim, if you've seen in Chipper will beat day price by up to 50. Good service is another priority, and richer sound staff are trained not to be pushy. They all attend to training seminars and you're at richer country halls in Yorkshire, where more attention is paid to following and cross administrative production. First time heavy, but you get a call to check that they have forgotten in their equipment. Quarterly customer respect include and first horn. Quarterly customer respect include at free phone number 3 can dial if they have the problem reach on name and office number are supplied to the emphasis is on phone in it. Customer are give a free dial in summer they get a jelly will fight type of is she lovely. Sensational gifts include Memphis at Christmas and hot cross but at Easter. We have a lot say we don't take offers service seriously, but we do take our customers seriously. How was the company started? Answer is the Guinness Book of Record richer sound waves an entry for the highest sales per square foot of any retail in the UK. When was the company started? Answer at 19 years old. What is it like to work at Richardson? Answer, it's heavy and hard. How do they make to sell so much per square? Sure. Answer, by way of catching in the UK best stock turnover and small company profit. By way of catching in the UK best stock turnover and small company providing flexibility for offering. Thank you. Good afternoon.